Namaste everyone, my name is Pritika and welcome to Bodsphere's YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a breathing technique. In yoga, we talk a lot about balance. Balance in yoga asanas, balanced diet, balanced and healthy mind. The main aim and the main goal is to achieve a balanced state of mind. Today we are going to learn Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Nadis are the subtle energy channels in the human body. They can also get blocked due to various reasons. Reasons being stress, physical or mental trauma, or your unhealthy lifestyle. But Nadi Shodhana Pranayama can actually help you clear and clean all these energy channels. Shodhan. If we talk about Shodhan, Shodhan refers to purification, and pranayam refers to the breathing techniques. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama also helps you balance your left and your right brain. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system in you, which is your rest and your digest mode. There are three primary nadis in our body. One is Ida, Pingla and Sushmana. Ida is your left nostril, Pingla is your right nostril, and Sushmana is going through your middle body. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama helps you balance these three nadis. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama also helps you calm the mind and prepares you for that beautiful meditative state. Now, if you are doing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, just make sure you are doing it on an empty stomach. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama can also be done before your yoga practice and after your yoga practice. It can also be done before your meditation. Now, if we talk about contraindications, you can avoid when you are suffering from fever, cold and cough. Let's move on to the demonstration how to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Let's keep our left hand in Chin Mudra. So your index finger, the tip of your index finger is touching the tip of your thumb. Yeah? The last three fingers are straight. Keep your hand in Chin Mudra and closer to your knee. Now do not slide it down, just keep it right up, your palm facing up towards the sky and closer to the knee. Now right hand will be in Nasagra Mudra. Keep your first two fingers between your eyebrows, thumb on your right nostril, ring finger on your left nostril. And the little finger has the best job to do, nothing. Okay, so now when you have kept your first two fingers between your eyebrows, thumb on your right nostril, ring finger on your left nostril, ring and the little finger is rested, we will inhale with both the nostrils and we will let it go from the left. That's how we start Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. That's how you clean your breath. Yeah, we will inhale with both the nostrils and we will let it go from the left first. Now the round will begin. Inhale with the left and exhale with the right. Inhale with the right and exhale with the left. This makes one round. Yeah, we'll do 9 to 10 rounds together. So you may sit in Sukhasana, you can sit in easy pose. In case if you're not comfortable sitting in Sukhasana, you can take a back support also. If you are not comfortable sitting with without back support, you can sit with the wall or a chair. Just sit in Sukhasana in the easy pose, yeah, in a relaxed position. So let's do 9 to 10 rounds together. Again, left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Nasagra Mudra. First two fingers between your eyebrows, thumb on your right nostril, ring finger on your left nostril. Make sure that your eyes are closed throughout the process. Let's gently close our eyes, spine erect, and a beautiful smile on your face. Let's gently inhale with both the nostrils and let it go from the left. Inhale with the left and exhale with the right. Inhale with the right and exhale with the left. This makes one round. Let's do a couple of rounds together, keeping your spine straight. Just make sure that your breath is very slow and very subtle. Don't do it very fast or in a haphazard way. Do it very slowly. Keep your eyes closed, spine erect, and body totally relaxed. And whenever you are done with 9 to 10 rounds, you may relax and exhale from your left. Keep your eyes closed, spine erect. You may relax your right hand on your right thigh, closer to your knee, in Mahamudra or the open palm position. Let's take a normal long deep breath in and breathe out completely. Once again, inhale and fill up your lungs and exhale completely. Keeping a beautiful smile on your face, let's become aware of our body and our surroundings. Whenever you feel whole and complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So this was Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. I hope you are feeling totally relaxed. And after Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, it's always good to meditate. You can meditate for a while. It is highly recommended to do Nadi Shodhana twice a day, at least. Yeah, you can do Nadi Shodhana for 10 minutes, for 15 minutes. Thank you so much for spending time with us during this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video with all your friends who are in need during this pandemic. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Namaste.